The President's Award is really the ultimate and the elite because we have 3,100 Ford dealers nationally, but just 10% win the President's Award. And that is really showing that you are operating in sales, in finance, in parts, in service, across your entire operations. Not only as individuals, but more importantly as a team.
Truly humbled and privileged to be here today to celebrate these awards with the team at Royal Oak Ford, who's receiving 2 awards, Partners in Quality, and also for recognition of all the customers that we get to work with day in and day out that are sent to us from the team here at Royal Oak Ford.
So, on behalf of the company, I do want to congratulate them. Obviously, they do a great job with all the awards they won, and quite honestly, that doesn't happen by accident, right? It's a team effort, and it starts, with Eddie, and then it works its way down to his team.
Extremely excited that we've achieved the President's Award once again. I think it really shows the hard work and the dedication of not only my father, but our wonderful managers and our employees.
I'm just very proud of our entire team. I mean, who could have imagined that we could have battled a pandemic, been closed for several months, no inventory, and to still be able to, win Ford's top award for sales and service. It's a testament to my dad's high bar and to the team that we have here that come to work every day to do a great job for our customers.
So on behalf of Ford, congratulations on your 10th President's Award. Congratulations and thank you for all you do.